Real games are never honest.
Not everyone follows the rules.
To get your upper hand, you need a move that the opponent cannot expect.
Beyond the bones, a revolutionary solution. A solution that can turn the board over.
First, be farther and faster. Become a ghost. Make your opponent fear the shadows. Look further than everyone else. Heal sharper than everyone else. Learn to be proactive and make no mistakes. Knock out all their foes and be ready to meet the king. Open architecture and only proven solutions. Assemble the play for yourself. Leave unnecessary things on the ground. This is the blame for those who know that the economy is the essential of any victory. A professional doesn't need a hammer. A professional needs a scalpel. Have confidence in what you have and be sure that your hand will not be bitten in the decisive moment. You shouldn't only possess something, but also learn to create something yourself. Look into the future with confidence. This is not just another aircraft of the 5th generation. This is the Checkmate. Turn the board over.